There is nothing worse than spending $2,000 on an embroidery machine, only to realize 6 months later that you bought the wrong one. Maybe the hoop is too small for the projects you actually want to make. Maybe it's so complicated you're scared to turn it on. Or maybe it just can't keep up with your business orders. I get it. The market is flooded with options for 2026. But here's the good news, the perfect machine for *U* does exist. Starting at number 1. SS 1501 Commercial 15 Needles Embroidery Machine. Introducing the advanced 15 needle SS 1501 embroidery machine, designed for both professional and hobbyist embroiderers seeking top-notch quality and performance. With an impressive maximum speed of 1200 stitches per minute, SPM, this machine enables rapid production without compromising on the intricacy of your designs. The generous 14-inch by 20-inch embroidery area allows for a wide range of projects, from intricate designs on garments to larger pieces, providing versatility in your creative endeavors. The machine features a vibrant 10-inch high-definition touchscreen that ensures an easy-to-navigate interface, allowing users to select patterns, configure settings, and monitor the progress of their work effortlessly. For enhanced precision, the integrated laser positioning system is invaluable, ensuring your designs are perfectly aligned every time. Incorporating cutting-edge technology, the 270 wide-angle cap system allows for seamless embroidery on caps and hats, expanding your project possibilities. Number 2. By the Mirror 15 Needles Embroidery Machine. Built specifically for small business owners, custom shops, and Etsy sellers seeking professional efficiency, this machine is ideal for embroidery on a variety of products including hats, shirts, jackets, bags, leather, patches, and more. Its design caters to those who demand high-quality embroidery solutions that save time and enhance productivity. Dual speed performance. The machine boasts a maximum stitching speed of 1,200 stitches per minute, SPM, on flat surfaces and 850 SPM on hats. This engineering enables substantial productivity gains, allowing users to complete embroidery jobs more quickly and efficiently. With a performance edge over many traditional machines that typically operate around 400 SPM for cap embroidery, you can expect to boost your output by as much as 50%, making it a powerful investment for any embroidery business. Number 3. Poulin EOV 15 Needle Cap Embroidery Machine. Commercial embroidery machine for small shops. This innovative machine is specifically designed for home studios and small businesses that require a reliable and efficient embroidery solution for fulfilling daily customer orders. It caters to the needs of entrepreneurs who aim to provide high-quality custom embroidery with ease and convenience. 15 needle power for efficient production. Equipped with 15 needles, this machine allows for efficient production processes. The spacious embroidery area of 14.2 inches by 9.5 inches accommodates larger designs, making it more efficient than single needle, 6 needle, 10 needle, or 12 needle machines. Once the colors are set up, the machine can seamlessly execute multicolor designs automatically, significantly reducing the need for operator intervention and freeing you up to focus on other business tasks. Clean cap and apparel embroidery. This machine specializes in delivering professional, sell-ready results across a variety of items, including hats, caps, sweatshirts, jackets, and custom apparel. Its design ensures that every stitch contributes to a polished final product that fulfills customer expectations. Number 4. Smart Stitch S 1501 Commercial Embroidery Machine. The S1501 Commercial Embroidery Machine is a sophisticated piece of equipment designed for both aspiring and established embroiderers. With its impressive specifications, it features 15 needles and a large embroidery area of 14 inches by 20 inches, allowing for extensive and varied designs. The machine operates at a maximum speed of 1,200 stitches per minute, SPM, which significantly increases productivity, making it ideal for commercial use. One of the standout features of the S1501 is its 12-inch touch screen, which facilitates easier and more intuitive operation. This centralized control panel allows users to manage their embroidery designs and their machine settings without hassle. Furthermore, the inclusion of a 270-degree wide-angle cap system makes it particularly versatile for cap embroidery, ensuring high-quality results across a range of fabrics. The S1501 also incorporates advanced technologies such as laser positioning for precise needle placement and an automatic color change feature, streamlining the embroidery process. The smart control system is designed to enhance usability, making it approachable even for those who are new to the craft. Number 5. Smart Stitch S1501 Plus Beast Embroidery Machine. The S1501 Plus Beast Embroidery Machine is designed to cater to a wide range of embroidery needs with its impressive 24 inches by 16 inches, 600 mm x 400 mm, embroidery area. This expansive workspace significantly enhances the capabilities of your embroidery business, allowing you to create intricate designs on various items such as jackets, appliques, tablecloths, bed sheets, rugs, and picture embroidery. The larger embroidery area is particularly beneficial for projects that require detailed quilting, making it an essential tool for meeting the specific demands of your customers. One of the standout features of the S1501 Plus Beast is its upgraded machine components designed specifically for embroidering caps and hats. It includes a reinforced nylon and carbon fiber cap driver, which ensures durability and stability. The machine also boasts a raised needle plate and a unique rotating trimming system, eliminating the need for pickers. Additionally, its direct vertical guiding system and 270 degrees cap rotation allow for efficient and high-speed embroidery on headwear while minimizing noise levels during operation. And that's the list. Whether you're just starting out or ready to go professional, there's a machine here for you. Don't forget, I've linked all of these machines down in the description below. If you click and buy, it really helps the channel keep making content like this. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more sewing and crafting reviews. Got a question about any of these machines? Drop it in the comments, I read them.